They're gorgeous. They're beautiful pastel colors. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Joanna Crafts You, and in today's episode of Let's Chat Crafts, I'm going to be unboxing an acrylic paint set that I got from Amazon. And I actually purchased this with the $25 gift card that I won in a giveaway from Holli Mostella, because she is giving something away like every week, y'all. It is amazing. If you don't follow her, her links are below. This set, I think, I'll check for sure, and I'll definitely have it linked below. But the set of acrylic paints that I'm about to unbox was, I think, $26.99. They're gorgeous. They're beautiful pastel colors. A set of 16 pastel acrylic paints for $26.99. And I used my giveaway Amazon gift card from Holli Mostella. Thank you, girl. I am so impressed with these. If you are in the market for acrylic paints and you're looking specifically for pastel colors, I highly recommend so far, but continue watching if you'd like to see me use these paints for the first time.